Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Karina Beneduk and I have some very exciting news to share with you today.
Wish we could fly away, you and I, go to our favorite place. Oh,
so the first piece of news that I gotta share with you today is that I bought a new camera. I had an old Canon Ti2 from 2009. It wasn't focusing anymore, or it wasn't out of focusing because, you know, 2009. So I bought this Canon that I'm gonna post in the description below. It has a flippable screen, which is what I wanted from my camera, so I can see myself and not have to re-record everything. It has Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, and it did not break the bank, so I'm super excited. I will put a picture of how my setup looks right here. The second piece of news that I have is that I bought my first home. I am so excited. It is a duplex, so I am working on fixing my side right now. I have a timeline to move in, so my videos won't be as the videos that you got used to so far. It's just gonna be more like a vlog type thing, following the progress in the home and, you know, the design, how the design ideas came along. There's a lot of people in and out, you know, electric, HVAC, plumbing, everybody is in there doing things. So I will just follow the progress along. Every Saturday I will try to post an update. The video that I will be sharing right now is before demo. It does not look like this anymore, but that is for next Saturday. So this is the before tour. It is a little bit shaky at times, and I'm sorry, I'm still working on figuring out this camera, but I am super excited about it and this place. So without further ado, let's see how it looks like, or more so how it looked like. Okay, well, it is demo day. I just got here, so we're gonna do a final walkthrough for a before shoot, take some pictures, and then we'll start demo. So let's go. I am so excited, so excited. I'm gonna spare you the singing. So we have to go through the back because I don't have keys to the front. I do love this flower, whatever it is. The other side, I can't believe this is mine. It's a little shed right here. That's for another day. Yeah. Put some lights on. Okay. Still smells like old in here because it is old. So yeah, there's no ceiling light in here, but this is the living room. Everything's brown and painted like a blind man painted it. I don't know how some people live like this, but it's okay. I'll make it all pretty. These are some samples. Floors. I actually already bought it, so let me know in the description below which one you think I purchased. Oh, don't die, Karina. But you can tell in here, these are not, you know, they're not good anymore. That's why they're coming out. But yeah, this is the kitchen. Really small right now. I didn't know how nice the light hits from over there. I dig that. But yeah, I actually have somebody come and measure, getting all new cabinets. This is a pantry right here. Smiley face from my floor guy. Pantry. Standard fridge I'm gonna sell. Let me know if you wanna buy it. And here it's gonna be washer and dryer. We're gonna make a really pretty laundry room situation in here. It's gonna be nice. And then this is where we came from, the outside. I do love these trees, but I might have to cut them. I know. We'll see how it goes. Everything is disconnected here already. The way the light goes, I love that. Yeah, I'm gonna get a whole new chandelier. Coat closet. So a lot of stuff in there. Future projects. Little hallway. Dipsy to a linen closet. Have the thermostat right here. Comment in the description down below if you think I should get a Wi-Fi thermostat. I don't know if it's worth the money. Half bath. And this place is kind of special. Hi. It has a door that goes into the other bathroom. So it's me again. What is happening? Please tell me what they were thinking. Sink, toilet, sink, toilet. Makes no sense to me. I don't like this, so this door is gonna have to go. And here is the master bedroom. I don't know about these closets door yet. And again, no ceiling light. But don't worry, we'll fix that. We'll fix that. I actually never saw these closets with the doors closed. I kinda dig it. I might just get new rails. Those are ugly. Maybe black ones. Paint everything white. And do something pretty with these doors. Yeah, we might keep them. Thinking about getting new doors here. And this is the other. Oh, so dark. Let's make some light in here. It's a decent size second bedroom. Carpet will come out. New paint. Everything will be different. The closet is about the same size as the other closet. Again, I've never seen it with the doors closed. I'm not mad. I might just paint them. We'll see. We'll see what's gonna happen. But yeah, this is it, guys. This is it. Last time it's gonna look like this. It will be completely different place. Okay, you guys, so this is how it looked like. I want to say last Wednesday. It's totally different right now, but that is for the next video because otherwise this would have been a very long, boring video. Or very long. I don't think it's boring. I love renovating and I love designing stuff. So yeah. But make sure you follow me on Instagram at Karina Beneduk. I will put it right here. I do post throughout the week with design ideas and pieces of information and sneak peeks of what I'm doing throughout the week. And then make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to see how my new place will end up looking in the near future. So I will see you next Saturday. I have some very fancy news. The second piece of news that I have is that I bought my first phone. I will end up by telling you, okay, no, I'm not gonna say that.